Hi everybody, Belinda here. Welcome and welcome back. So this canvas, as I mentioned in my previous video, is the one that I did. I actually did it twice and I wasn't happy. So I'm going to go ahead and cover my canvas with white this time, and I'll see you in a bit. Okay guys, I'm back. This canvas is a 40 by 60 inch. So I'm just laying down some more white. Hopefully that will be enough. Now I've got to make a decision. Actually I think I'll go in with this first. This is Rich Espresso by Deco Art. So it's a metallic. And then I have, which I'm quite stuck on this at the moment. It's fluorescent pink. And over here, whoops, I have some what is this? Violet. And I'm hoping that there's not going to be any lumps in here. I've been stirring it forever. Oops. There's a bit of water sitting on the edge. So I've used 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol, and a teeny bit of water to thin it. And over here I have burgundy. So I'm going to put the burgundy just on the side. It should be more than enough paint. I might just put a little bit of burgundy here as well. And then I have my Bloom recipe in black. If you want to see the recipe, it is very well titled, and it's my Bloom recipe step by step or something like that. I'll put the link in the description box down below. Okay, not too much black. Now guys, honestly, you decide how thick or thin you want your paint to be, and if you want to put it on your hairdryer on high or low, depends on you. It's your decision. Okie dokie. Now, I love everything that's going on, but I have so much paint sitting here and sitting there, so I will have to tilt it. It's a bit of a shame really. I wonder if I should, or give it another blow. Okay, I think I'm just going to give it another gentle blow. Because I can't have all that paint sitting there. Right, I'm just going to give this a bit of a just give this a bit of a blow here so I can get some of that black back. I do have some mounds of paint sitting around here, which not 100% happy about. I love it. Much better. Much better. There's a lot of paint right there. Let me come around there and have a look. I don't really want to mess up that there, but I have so much paint sitting here. Let me give it a little blow and then see how much paint is actually sitting there. Yeah, I think that's better. I'll give it a bit of a tour. So I don't really want to lose what I have already. So I'm going to just leave it at that. I love all the delicate petals. This rich espresso looks beautiful, and that pink looks gorgeous against the rich espresso. I don't really want to torch over torch. Okay guys, I'll bring you in for a close-up. Right guys, there is so much going on here and so much to love. These little bits here and this coffee color running through is beautiful. These petals are just something else. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm totally loving this. In between here you can see if I can get it on camera, the purple running through the black. And all the little cells and lacing going on. A lot of lacing there. So guys, this is a 40 centimeter by 60 centimeters, quite large. Very, very, very pretty. I actually love this white that runs through there as well. Yeah, this one just blows my mind. Really is nice. And these are beautiful petal sitting over there as well. And there's a lot of black and purple in between. Well guys, I have actually spoken to YouTube about the notifications bell. Apparently it hasn't been working according to some of my subscribers, who thankfully have notified me and told me that. So we'll see, hopefully it will make a difference. But anyway, in the meantime, thank you very much for watching. Please do check your notifications bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, I wanted to actually, before you go, show you from this angle, which is probably the way I would hang it. Okay guys, see you next time. Thank you. Bye.